Hello class, my name is Bari Cook. Today we will be briefly discussing some nutritional basics for your developing child. When exploring nutrition in early childhood, it is important to understand when nutrition begins to play a role in your child's life. The answer is pregnancy. During pregnancy, taking care of your baby means taking care of your body. At this point, it is important to boost protein and increase vitamins such as folic acid and iron, which are vital for your baby's development. Remember to avoid alcohol. Alcohol can be disastrous for a growing baby. Drinking alcohol while pregnant can cause birth defects, learning disabilities, and emotional problems in children. Let's look at food groups and daily recommended amounts. Pregnant women should have roughly 7 ounces of grain each day. 1 slice of bread or 1/2 cup cooked rice will provide 1 ounce of your daily grain intake. 2 cups of fruit a day is recommended. Remember to eat fresh, unprocessed fruit whenever possible and choose a variety of colors. 3 cups of vegetables, fresh when available, and also choose from a variety of colors. Meats and beans should be 6 ounces a day. This is equivalent to 2 servings about the size of a deck of cards. 3 cups a day of dairy, 1 cup of milk or yogurt, 1½ ounces of cheese are excellent sources of calcium and protein. Also, oils will provide numerous vitamins. The best sources are canola and olive oils, avocados, nuts, seeds, or olives. From birth to the first year, your baby's nutritional needs will begin to change substantially. There is much debate in the nutritional field as to what is the best option for our babies. However, countless studies show breast milk-fed babies have fewer illnesses, infections, allergies, and lower risk of obesity in their lives than their formula-fed counterparts. It is recommended babies drink only breast milk for the first 4 to 6 months. Up until this point, your baby's digestive system is not ready for additional calories and nutrients. As your baby begins to show signs she is ready for solid foods, remember to supplement with breast milk and introduce new foods slowly in order to assess for allergies. As solid foods are introduced, the amounts are important in each food group to ensure she is getting all the nutrients she needs. Grains, like cereal mixed with breast milk, should be given about 3 to 9 tablespoons in 2 or 3 feedings total. For fruits, start with a teaspoon, slowly increasing to a total of ½ cup per day. Vegetables also starting with a teaspoon and increasing to ½ cup for a daily total. No dairy is introduced until 1 year of age. Pureed meats and beans, about 1/8 cup for a total daily intake. The nutritional values your child needs do not vary much from 2 to 3 years of age. This will be a time when your child is discovering new ways to eat as her motor skills improve. Your toddler is busy. Remember to keep that energy well balanced with plenty of nutrient-rich foods. At 2, your toddler needs 3 ounces of grains. 1 ounce is equal to 1 slice of bread, 1 cup of cereal, or ½ cup of cooked rice. Increase this amount to 3 to 4 ounces at 3 years of age. Vegetables remain important. Exposure and encouragement now will lead to lifelong healthy eating habits. 1 cup of vegetables a day at 2 and 1½ cups at 3. Just the same amounts for fruits. Remember to offer a wide range of colors and fresh whenever possible. Milk or dairy remains consistent at 2 cups for both 2 and 3-year-olds. About 1½ ounces of cheese constitutes 1 cup. For meat and beans, remember that these provide protein. For your growing child, 2 ounces at 2 years, increase to 3 to 4 ounces at 3. 1/2 cup cooked beans or 1 egg equals 1 ounce. As your child enters school and his responsibilities grow, so do his nutritional needs. As with 2 and 3-year-olds, there will only be a slight increase with 4 and 5-year-olds in their nutritional intake. As children enter school, be sure to utilize relationships among parents and child care professionals. We work together to ensure our children get the best nutrition available. There are many resources available for both parents and professionals. Many school-aged children today have the opportunity to eat both breakfast and lunch at school for little or no cost. Many children suffer from food insecurity at home, making nutrition at school even more important. In order for professionals to create a safe and healthy environment, professionals understand their guidelines and can offer additional help. The USDA provides web resources helpful to parents and teachers as well. The daily amount of grains needed for 4 and 5-year-olds is roughly 5 ounces. A cup of oatmeal for breakfast, whole wheat bread sandwich at lunch, and a half a cup cooked beans at dinner is a great example for meeting this need. 4 and 5-year-olds need about 1.5 cups of vegetables, 1.5 cups of fruit, and 2.5 cups of dairy each day. For meat and beans, they will need 4 to 5 ounces. This can be achieved with an egg for breakfast and a half a cup of cooked beans with dinner. In addition to feeding our children nutritious foods, keep in mind it is a wonderful time to interact with them about what they eat. Learning what foods make good choices and what foods to avoid will set your child up for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.